Hi! We are in process of gingerbread dough making, and for now we are in halfway and our dough must become colder, so right now it's very hot. And let's take out our advent number 7. And I forgot to film yesterday our advent, so I will put how it looks in real life. Also, I forgot to film how looks my scarf, but there is a progress. I will film with the progress and I will show you right now too. Let's see. We are in day 7. Wow. Do it smooth fast. Wow! I remember this yarn when Martina was knitting from this. It's so beautiful color. Red Rosaria Rosa Power sock yarn. 100 grams wool. Our Sama behaves very bad. She wants to go on the table all the time because there is a pate. Oh, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Let's game. And of course I will film how it looks in real life. And here is my son. I will give him to check it out. And I will catch up right now to show you my progress. I will need to block because it's making odd shapes. So when you are knitting a Sophie scarf, you need to make this I-cord edging looser because it can make, this is my mistake, it can make like shape like this. But you should to make like this. So I will need to block it, but now I will try to make looser the last one stitch, and it becomes very beautiful. So, and I will film everything. I will film also the yesterday's advent too, to show you. And yeah, we are getting back to our dough. Nice. And in the morning I gave it to cats, a new snack. If Nika really loved it and eat it, then for Sama it was 2 big pieces because she has only, how many? 8 tooth? Yes, I think 8. So we needed to make it in smaller pieces, but I think next day I will put for her another type of snack, which was day before. I have one left, so they will have different type of snacks. And my kids got 2 mini chocolate bears, which came with a packaging with the advent from Martina. And actually I was snacking too with them, but I'm allergic to chocolate, but I'm eating chocolate anyway. But now I have quite harsh allergy on my hands. I feel it all the time, very itchy. So I'm happy that there is no chocolate anymore. So yeah, and that's it for today for talking head. I will finish and show you how we're making gingerbread dough. I think my daughter will bake one like test. It will be a test drive of dough. And yeah, we will have a gingerbreads, and in the evening we will have also a movie night. And that's it. Bye. I take a very needed walk because I felt that everything at home is too much for me. I needed just to be alone a little bit. And just to know that you're not alone at home, but there is someone else. For me, as an introvert, sometimes it makes me crazy. Really. So yeah, therefore I just took a walk just to rest. And also I need to do some to-do things. I need to buy another candies. I don't have candies anymore, so I was happy that I had these candies from Martina. Little bears. Actually, kids loved that. I was thinking, oh my god, I will be disappointed, but no, that was okay for them. And I will go right now to the shop very fast, and then I am going to take out from our post closet out my linen order for my order. So I'm ordering linen to order, actually, maybe a little bit extra more, but yeah, it's very fast shipping, and if I see order, I just buy immediately a fabric and start to work on that as it came. But it's a Saturday, so I think I will work on it Monday. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Candy mission is solved. My favorite tote bag, knitted one. Someone don't know. Oh my god, so black. I even scared from my own shadow. I had the feeling that someone is following me, but it was my shadow. It was crazy. It was my shadow. Oh my god, so hilarious. So I'm going to take out linen. So it looks like this. I'm spying to someone. So when you take your packaging and you go away happy. And now it's me who's happy.